What's going on YouTube? This is man. Today we're going to be looking for really cool chains from the Vulnlab, and then it's called here hybrid. And the hybrid is an active directory in Vulnlab, which is two machines from mail01 to DC01. And so I think its chains are really important to be improve yourself on real life hacking scenario or penetration testing. It's because, for example, you are going to be testing to be hospital. And before you do here DC01 to be something, you have to be doing more to be for like registration panel, or to be could be a mail panel, something like that. So in this video we're gonna be looking for the hybrid, and then I think it's gonna be awesome, and then make sure you know about it. So if you're ready, let's get started fastly. So as always, we are starting here mmap scan, and then we got here two IP addresses. The first one is equal here, which one is ending with 245, and second one is ending with 46, and then this 46 is working on the mail, and important ports are is over here is 80 and 2049, and then the DC01 is over here is also, and then it's look like a Windows machine on the 80 port is open, and LDAP is also is open here is over here. You have to be noticed at this on your etc host files, and then let's get started here with this after that. So important things to hear we got it here 80 port, and let's see what's going on the HTTP. Let me close them all and trying to be go here. So at this port we got it here mail01. So as mail01 is redirect us to here run cube, and then let's try here, is there any default username and password like admin, or you can check it for RunCube default password, but RunCube has no default password. It's because they're publicable, so you cannot do it here to be now admin port is over here, right? So let's thinking to be here check back or mmap scan, and then there is really important things we got. They are using here NFC. It's really strange, but will be awesome. So you have to be go on your Google and NFC port on 2049, and if you're checking for here to be hack tricks, then you will be understanding everything on this pentesting on NFC services. So you can directly be open is over here and reading for everything learned. But if you want to be go here the mounting part to be pentesting is over here. To know which folder has a server is available to mount, you can ask it using show mount-e. So as you know, we are working here with to be NFC, and it says you can listing this is there any list, is there any folder or the be file you can list it, so it means that you can use it like that. So we got it here export list from our system, and then we got it here there's an opt share is available for you. So to mount it using, you should specify use version 2. It's because it doesn't have any authentication or authorization services over here. You have to be make there here as to be it could be here. So I want to be do TMP and Osman, and I want to be go here TMP and Osman is over here. So it could be or mount file to be sending it, and it could be here like a bridge to them all, and then for the transfer the other port and other port on other IP, the other IP is over here, and it's gonna be awesome is over there right now. So how we can use it, so it says you have to be using here mount-t. I think after that you have to be giving your target IP addresses over here. Where's mine? So it's working on this IP addresses, and then we can list it here opt and share, and then you can give it here where is you want to be actually save it. So for example, I want to be save it on Osman. So if I'm gonna trying to be go here on Osman, and you will be see here I got it here back tar and gunzip file is over here. So let me gunzip it first, and then tar it. So we can list it here some file right now, and then we got it here successfully. So we got it here etc and opt, and I think those are awesome. So let's go for etc first, and then cat here passwd, maybe some hash we can get. There's 22 is already is open. There's look like no hashes right now. So let's go for docat, and then yes, all right. So we got it here some credential from them, and then we got a, for example, admin hybrid Vulnlab, and then this password. So let's try to be login with this. All right, so is it gonna be password here, right? Yes. Okay, so it's gonna be password, and this is gonna be username maybe. So let's try to login page, and it says you can login. So maybe we have to be use it with like this username. Okay, let me give again one more time to be logging here. That's great. We are logging here successfully, and it says our new spam plugin sound is over here. So we got here, hey Peter, I enabled RunCube's junk filter plugin to help with the recent spam and the bass from ED. So we got here, they are enabled RunCube junk filter. So we can see is over here, it's the junk filter. So then I think you can go for to be, is it exploitable, because it could be hint for us, right? So that it means maybe you can go for RunCube and junk mail, something like that, or you can check for mark as junk, yes, like that. So you are trying to be understanding, is it really injectable things here, is it exploitable, or you can do something like that with it, or something like that. So it's need to be awesome, but we have to be first of all find RunCube mark as junk has any exploitable things on internet. So there is something we found, and it says our RunCube mark as junk remote code execution is available. So you can check it here, the summary, or to be affected devices, and where is it run. So it's working on just 161 is over here. So let's checking for the bad here, and we got it's working on 161. So that means it can be worked successfully. So everything, it's you can check it here, vulnerable configuration, technical analysis, facts, suggestion, or something like that. But after it all, you will be understanding this is gonna be or to be payload for to be sent is over here. So that's because you need to be learn how we can to be send this this command is successfully. And then if you're reading is over here right now, if you send this commands as a mail, the processing the mail, for example, it's normal identifier will be this, but you have to be changed with like that. So it's show you how you need to be do. You have to be use this command. What it's gonna be do it right now. It's gonna be creating here test.txt. For example, if I'm gonna be doing here the gather reverse shell. So you can go here on the reverse shell generator and use it this one, and for example, let's gather here as like encoding as base 64, and then sending this one is successfully. So what we have to be do, I don't want to be do here any touch, I want to be do curl is over here, right? To be gather here reverse shell is for sure. But if you want to be do here the running also, you can using here the echo. But it's important things to here, you have to be attention this $sign and IFCS. So it's gonna be like to be a column or the space for us. We cannot use it to or commands without this. So to admin and echo, and then after that you have to be giving your payload. So is it gonna be our payload or for the reverse shell? So after that, again, if you want to be run this, you have to be give it this like that. So is it because we want to be base 64 decoding, then after that run it. So if you want to be do this one more space, you have to be give this and then give your command, and then give this, give your command again, -d, give this again, and then the grep you have to be using and give it again and a bash. So it's need to be equal or to be payload, and then you have to be change it with your domain. The target domain is actually, so it's need to be hit you back as shell is over here. So let's try it over there right now. Trying to be go here, compose, and you have to be go response, edit and response is over here. Go for identifies and admin. So we need to be change it admin email because we are learned is over here. So it's need to be changed like that. Save it. Then after that, go for compose. To mail, and somewhere the jump, and I need to be give it here as a junk is over here. So where is the junk one? Send inbox, nothing here. I need to be save it as junk. So to be compose response, added responses over here. The identifies again, it's working it successfully right now, as you can see here. Let me log out of here and log in as Peter Turner, and maybe after that junk, so we can get it here shell here successfully. So let me log in, and it's over here from admin, and the junk is over here right now. So now shell is again admin. So if I'm gonna be junked, so it's need to be hit back a shell right now. I don't know why isn't. So let me try. Okay, compose response, added a response here, identify. No, I don't know why it's not working right now, but I think it's need to be hit back as here. It's because we are as a junk to be sent here. Alright. So log out of here. Okay, let me log in here one more time. Alright. Where's the crats? It's over here, right? Let's try to log in. Okay, log in here. And it's need to be on the send. More refresh options, cancel, contacts, mail, send. So we can send it here mail to Peter, right? Subject. Okay, send it. Is over here. So we can do here junk. Yep. So we got it here shell his successfully. So that was really cool. And now let's do Python 3 import putty and putty that spawn and binary and bash as like here right now. So export here the terminal successfully. Let me do an sct row and echo. So we got a here shell here right now as successfully. So as everything is ending with the on the web server right now, then it means we can go for to our shell is over here and successfully, and we call it back here our listener. That's really cool. So then, as you remember before, we did here something on the cd tmp at my. Okay, so we got it here at the etc, but at the opt and the search. So you will be getting here some the PAM file. So these are for to be readable things, and then maybe we can crack it down after the change it or the hash, and we can use it for it. So for example, we got it here shell, and if you go here home, and you will be getting here Peter Turner, right? So but we can have no success to be go here the Peter Turner at hybrid.vulnlab. So we have already his password, but it's okay, maybe it's not using same password is over here. So if I'm gonna be giving this password, it's not gonna be work. It's get a shell as a Peter Turner. So what we have to be do, so we are already has here private k.pam, then we can use it here pam to John for the save it on the hash. So if I'm gonna be trying to be crack at this, So I will be see here it's not crackable is over here. So we will not get here any password is over there. So it's not crackable, right? So after that, something you have to be do here. For example, cat here etc and exports. Then you will be see here really cool things to be do it. So it is equal that. So you have to be understanding we are working on the NFC, and then what is actually NFC is working for how it's actually NFC work it is. So NFC can be doing here the more things you can available to be do it. So I think this is gonna be awesome, but you have to be understanding first do what does it mean here is it's no root crash, so we cannot place a bash binary object by root user, so there is no option you can do it. But we already know there is a Peter Turner, it's over here on the home, and on the weekly machine, and with the ID, so the for learner ID, so we can use it here ls-ln, so it will be giving us here to ID for the user. So it's need to be working like that. So after that's all, we are already getting here the ID. So and there is an NFC port is open. So if we can creating here or malicious bash file and send it as using here the NFC, so we can use it the bash file as a Peter Turner is over here. So you just need to be go on your terminal and then sudo let me show user add and Darlene. So I already is actually added here. So we have to be adding the user with the name with this ID, has this ID, and then you have to be go this user is over here. So we are got it here successfully. So let me go here TMP, and then Osman is need to be available to me. Let me try to go, if I can go is over here. Let's see. So you have to be just creating the same username with this, and then you have to be now can we go here. So we have it look like is no access to be go there, but it's not important because we can create it here new you know the month is like that. So what verb we use it before show month, right? So let's say, so if I'm gonna be doing on my here, so I have to be go here Darlene before. Okay, so yeah, we can do it, and let me see, can we use it here month? All right, so no month. So what was the or IP addresses first? So I think we can use it right now, but it's not look like useful for right now, because it's need to be changing here the IP addresses. Then we can creating our new folder is over here. So where you want to be do this, for example TMP and Darlene, for example, you can do let's do here under Darlene. We have to be go here, for example, at the Darlene TMP, and then make there here Darlene. So ls-la, so we cannot go here to Darlene. Okay, so if I'm gonna be adding here sudo why we cannot create it here anything like I think I was have to be able to do it. All right, so we can go here right now is to Osman, so that's really great. So for example, we got a here shell as a Darlene, and then we get a shell as here as to be double data, right? So for example, if you are trying to be go here on opt and shares over here, and we know it's working on NFC. So for example, on the Darlene tab, so we are on the look like the same tab. just for example do this here touch test.txt. So you got it here test.txt, and it's checking for it here. You already got it here test.txt. So I think it's important things how it's actually working to NFC. So you have to be understand before. So for example, what we can do here right now, we are here and a remove test.txt, or not needed to be removed, but let me say here's clear is over there before. So for example, let's upload here my binary bash. Alright, so binary bash is over here, and syshmod plus s, then bash is here. So then you will be see here the bash is over there successfully, and then after you say an ls-la, so its security is over here, and it's creating by Peter Turner. So that is really great, right? So we learned it, so I think it's awesome to be do it. So we can see that binary is owned by Peter Turner is over here, and so it's because we use it here same UID and SUID, but on executing it was being to be executed due to difference because it's for GLBSE version. So instead of transferring the bash binary from the victim machine and making that suite, we have to be do it first. Okay, so yeah, it's need to be working like that. So for example, oh my god, where's gonna be go here? So for example, if we can send it here this bash file to my the same SUID file, then maybe we can get it here shell, and then for example after you say here ls-la, and then yeah, you will be here to be successful to be do it, right? So for example, let's try here opt share bash -p, then you will be see here it's not look like working, right? So it's because it's just for not same version on the libc version is over here. So those are not at the same to be version to be do it. So what we have to be do right now, so it's actually what we can do, right? So what could be or to be payload is over here. So can we do it, or like doing here something different? Alright, so for example, you can go here, and if I'm gonna say remove then bash, and then you will be here there is no bash, and there is no bash 2, it's for sure. So we need to be thinking here something different to be uploaded here this bash file, right? And after that uploaded it, and then it could be here we are successfully get the shell as Peter Turner, because we are already here get the to be sending here test and bash file, but we are getting here we are not available to be do it, but I'm actually doing this one. So for example, you know, there is no bash here right now, but if I'm gonna do here binary and bash, so I want to be doing what I did before is over here. What I did before is over here, right? So I'm just trying to be do this. So right now we are sending this bash is over here, and then maybe we can upload here this bash file as successfully. So the let's cp binary bash -c is over here. So after say his ls, now we saw here there is a so bash file, and then it's creating by double data on the system, and then we are using here ls-la. So and then we saw here it's creating by the bash file as the double data, but we need to be run it for with the actually Peter Turner, right? And I think it's what we are trying to be do. So let's try, maybe we can do here something different, like after we run it here, run the system, but it's gonna be awesome for us. So for example, let me try to do here, upload this bash file with the different format, and then maybe is it gonna be work. So I have no idea how it's gonna be work right now, but let's try. So let's say seshmod on my system plus as this bash file, not permitted. So is it still on the here seshmod plus as this bash file, changing permission of not permitted. It's because we are listening on the double data, right? So if I'm do here remove bash, there is no bash anymore, right? Okay, so I want to be go here right now is on the TMP, and there's something, nope, cp binary and bash is over here, Python HTTP and server. So we can send it right now, I think widget HTTP on the target IP addresses, and which one is working is over here on the 80,000 port, and the bash dash okay, so it's gonna be like that. So let's try. So is it here ls-la, and then it's working as a Darlene right now. Then as you can see here, right? Okay, so we can do here chmod plus s bash. So ls-la, so is it save it as like a Darlene. So what we can do here, controller C, bro. Okay, so then after that, I think I have to be go here on the shell, and the bash need to be work right now on the double data. Okay, so does it look like not work? So can we go here and then junk it again? So alt and share less. So okay, so python 3-c import putty and putty.spawn binary bash fastly. So after I change it here ls-la, so it's save it as successfully is over here. So let me do bash dash p. As it says the permission they needed, but is it not for ls-la? So but it saves as like a here picture. I don't know why it's giving us here to permission they need it right now. Bash dash p, so say permission they need it. Okay, what about here? So again is permission they need, so we cannot run it here right now really, and I don't know why. So if we cannot run it here bash, so there is no meaning to be do it. I don't know, bro. So yeah, so can we do here, I wonder, Peter Turner at hybrid Vulnlab. I wonder, is it gonna be his password will be work here? It's giving like as like here CWR G4 D as L and then RV. So I wonder is it gonna be work for us. So let's try. All right, so it's working right now. So we gotta hear something wrong because it's need to be work. I don't know why it's not work, but it's need to be work because we are creating as the same user as over here. Anyway, so we gotta hear our new credential after that wall, but it's okay. There's something wrong on the Vulnlab. I think nothing worked successfully, and this is our the new credential is over here. So let's say can we get here home and a flag? Yes, we got here flag. And then what about after sudo -l? Okay, let's give this, and then it says you can do here sudo su, and then we are root right now. Is there any flag on the root? Yes. So we got here another, the flag is over here, but I will be submit them then after that. That's great. So we are sudo right now, but I think it's not ending. It's not gonna be ending. It's because we are just gather roots on this on the mail 01. We need to be go here on DC01 here for sure. So it's gonna be how it's actually work, right? And then there is another port is open. My PRS is working on 25. So it's if it's gonna be or the new password is over here. What we have to be do right now, I think it's gonna be important things. So let's try this on the SMB client. For example, you can check it with this crack map exec, and how we can use this crack map exec. It's working on crack map exec SMB. So we have to be give it here or new IP addresses over here. Give it here this IP addresses, right? And then -u. It's could be equal here Peter Turner -p. Has to be give this password. Let's try to give, and then let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's working successfully. So let's checking for is it same as working as like a Windows RM, and then LD app, because it's if it's work like an as an LD app, so it's not work for Windows RM. So let's checking for LD app, because it's if it's gonna be work for LD app, so we can get it here LD app search. So let me show you how we can use it. So there is we got it here or the new tab, and then I think it can be waiting like that. So it's will be starting like that. So we got it here LD app. So it's the first thing you can do here Bloodhound, and I think it's gonna be awesome. So but important things how we can do here Bloodhound for sure. So opt let me go here my hybrid tab, and then make here blood. So we are listening here right now is Bloodhound. Okay. So let's try to do here to be sending here Bloodhound and gathering information about it, right? So Bloodhound, that it's important how you can actually use it. You can give this your -nc. After that, you have to be give the target IP addresses over here, and we are now knowing right now it's working on 25, and you have to be give here the password. The word is this password is over here, like that, and then after that you have to be given here to be IP to be username, to which username is equal Peter Turner, right? So after that you have to be give it to be domain name, and or domain name is equal here hybrid.vulnlab. So it's look like a work right now. It's because we are getting here some users, groups, computers, or something like that. So let's start here on Bloodhound. Which one is important? So let's open here Bloodhound. Use this tab for open Bloodhound here. Opt Vulnlab hybrid blood here. So we are already getting here too many JSON file. And then let's open here Bloodhound, then upload this JSON file, and then let's see what's going on here. All right, so let me go here first. I want to be clearing database before clearing database, clear them all, and we have to be uploaded here data on the computer. When we go here, opt, vulnlab, hybrid, blood here. So let's try to upload all JSON files over here and for understanding what's going on. So that will be available to be do it. So what is the username? Peter Turner, right? So if we check it on the node info, maybe we can gather here something. So let's checking for yeah, it's like as now like that. Enrolled group membership is over here. For example, member of hybrid users, domain users. So let's checking for first degree hybrid user and domain user is over here. We found does it look like no more information? So as you remember before, yeah, there's a member of, but we have no access to be do it. So there was the open here Kerberos, so maybe we can check it for the Kerberos authentication. So show Kerberos.user here, no data. To be domain admin, so there is no Kerberos user. Oh, it's really strange here, you know. And there is no user to be do it. Just Edward Miller look like user is over here. So look like nothing important information at the bloodhound right now. So what we can do here? So we can do here certify. I think it's gonna be work awesome. So it's to be enumerating certify. It could be here certification. So then we can do it and get it here something important. Then you know it will be it's gonna be awesome is over here, right? So and then let's see. So certify as always used before. I always use certify because I love certify. So you have to be using find command for the here find the to be injectable things. Peter Turner to be giving here on the username hybrid dot vulnlab. For the password, just give it here, right? Great. So after that -dc IP, we have to be give it the domain controller IP is over here. All right, so our domain controller IP is equal that, and then let's checking for is there anything injectable. Does it look like yes? Does it look like something injectable? Look like so. Save it as certify.txt. So it's over here cat certify.txt. So is it saves us for us right now is over here, and then I think we can do here right now sublime tags and certify.txt. I'm generally looking for enroll. So what is enroll is over here. To hybrid vulnlab on authenticated users is managed certificated for an administrator. So does it look like a member of authenticated user can enroll authenticate any user, right? So we are understanding is over here. On the hybrid DC01 as like that. All right, so I think we got it. So it's working like that. Is important to be do it how we can actually can be use it here. So we are just now enroll. This is injectable, yes, but the authenticated user can enroll and authenticate any user with hybrid DC01 right now. It's already is saved as here JSON file. then I think we can use it his JSON file to be uploaded here to be user. And for this user, maybe we can do here hybrid DC01. So let's checking for, okay, so we are getting here certified JSON, right? So let me go for Bloodhound one more time. All right, after the clear database, upload this JSON file. Okay, clear everything, upload the data. All right, computer opt Vulnlab hybrid blood here. So I have to be uploaded here JSON file. Why we can upload it? I don't know. We can check it for his manually, maybe. Sublime tags for this JSON file. It will be really crowded, but look like there is no chance to be doing anymore. So we are just now is over here, and it can be uploaded data here as like hybrid DC01. Then I think it's could be here, right? Okay, so the certificate template is over here, right? So important things what we can do here right now, it's because if we can do here it's hybrid DC01, the enroll and endure user is over here. Important things to do it, right? Yeah, you know. So it's look like seeing enrollment rights only here. Found the domain computer right as I have a so we are already getting here root shell. It's over here, right? And let's go for etc. And so can we use it here maybe Kerber K tab, then after that use it Kerber K tab to for grab here is it over here. Let's checking for controller file group 5. Okay, it's K tab is over here. Maybe we can upload it here and Python 3 -m HTTP on the server already in use, right? Server on 80 like that. So let's actually upload it and like here. Then it's because look like I'm working on the hybrid DC01 can be added here the mail, right? Let's try to be use it. I'm not sure it's gonna be work. I hope it's need to be worky here. So on the 80 and where is it? It's over here. Okay, so we are trying to be uploaded. As it for sure is not 5, it's gonna be 6. So as it important things how we can K-tab extract we need, I think here K-tab extract, right? K-tab extract that Python file we need it here to be extracting it. So let's upload it. Git clone. Okay, so Python 3 and right, so we are successfully getting here NTLM hash as you can see here right now, and as it look like useful for us too much to be doing the first what we have to be do first. And yes, and yeah, is it gonna be work right now? So important thing to be do how what we can do with this NTLM hash. So you have to be understanding here. You got it here NTLM hash, but where you can do use it for. Is it why we are use it right now is NTLM hash and certified before. And, let's try to be added here. The certify for recommending is over here. So after be recommending the certify can be uploaded here with this hash, then I think it will be giving us here administrator PVX. Then after this PVX, then we can get a shell here as an administrator is over here. But this important things here is equal definitely is NTLM hash. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, so what we can do right now, we can do here creating here certificate, right? So it could be like that. Certify. There isn't too many command I used before, as you can see here, but it's not needed to be right now. Certify requesting -u. You have to be give it here. So we are administrator on the mail 01. Why we are adding here mail 01 and $sign dash hashes. You have to be giving here the hashes like that. So let's give it here to be NTLM hashes. You need to be give and as like that before. Let me fix it is over here. So -dc -ip. It's need to be equal here dc01 IP addresses is over there, right? So let's go for then added it more and then C, and so it's important thing the words you are doing to be do, and then we are doing only hybrid and dc01. You know, we are getting it before on the certify dash template. We need to be give here hybrid computers dash UPN is definitely is equal to here administrator, and then dash target is definitely is equal here DC 01 hybrid Vulnlab. So I think I need to be added on the my etc host file, right? Nano etc and host, go for it. So let's do it. Would you like to save the private key? Is it so? It says yes. Is it saves as like that here right now as the 4.k is over here. So we are already getting here 4.k right now. That is looking like that for sure is right now. We are saving as that as like the 4.k is over here as you can see here. So but it's important things to do here, how it's actually working to be creating this file. So to be understanding it, they are already giving us here okay, so it was on the TMP as one, and so let's go here opt, right? It's over here full chain.pam. For example, they are giving us here, right? Open SSL to be understanding it. X let's say -in full chain.pam. So is it gonna be show us to here no auth and -tags. So it's need to be saved as to here how is it save it. So and then after that the public key is saved as a here 496. So that's why it need to be used here certify gain, and then -k size to be give it here to be same size. So it's has to be equal give it us here like an administrator PVX. Does it look like I'm not work right now? Okay, so let's do this certify recant mail. So there is nothing, definitely there's nothing wrong, right? Let's do this again. Okay, so we are saved or certificate as administrator PVX, so it means it's already end. So what we have to be do certify and authentication PVX, and administrator PVX is over here. So then after that it says you have to be giving the username. All right, so I can give here the username is over here, username, and then administrator dash domain hybrid vulnlab dash dc dash ip has to be given here domain controller IP for sure. So let's give it. So is it say there's something wrong for the hash, so let's do here ntp date dash s, and then if you gonna be giving here domain controller hash, this need to be work. So let's try, and then we got it here administrator hash successfully. Let's save it as a node is over here. We are already got it here the hash from administrator. Let's running this with vmi exec.python administrator, and then give it here domain controller 01, it's over here, dash hashes, need to be given here the hash. Where is the second one? Cancel. So it's need to be given as anti-authority system. Let's try. So let's say here dear who am I, and we are administrator right now. So I think that was really cool change, and we are great thing here to be doing everything. Gather here remote code execution, done using with NFC, and we gather here certify active directory, and thank you for watching this video.